Good morning children. Welcome to day 4 class of English. Today we are going to deal with page 25. In unit 2, prose, the bubble, the straw and the shoe lesson. Okay children. Now you can open your textbook page number 25. Put today's date. Very good. Now here you can see so many pictures in this page. Yes or no children? Now here you see, match the balls with their numbers. Now trace the numbers. Now already you know counting and matching the numbers. In maths you have learned. Yes. Now how many balls are there here? Count the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Where is the 7 number this side? Very good. What is the spelling? S-E-V-E-N, 7. Draw a line and match. And trace the 7. Sleeping line, slant line. Okay. Next is already done for you. How many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, blue color line is there. Write the 8. Trace the 8. What is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T. 8. Next, how many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is the 9? Here. What is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E, 9. Very good. Trace the 9. Next one. How many balls we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls. So where is the 10 number? Very good. Draw a line and match. Trace the number. T-E-N, 10. Very good. Now you know all the numbers, counting and matching also children. Now there is an activity. Yes, there is an activity. Think time. What is this? Think time. T-H-I-N-K. Think and time. T-I-M-E, time. Think time. So by doing the small activity I am going to teach this. Okay. So what is the activity name I told? Think time. In the think time, the activity is, T-H-I-N-K, think, time, T-I-M-E, time. So what is the think time? In the think time activity, we have float and sink. F-L-O-A-T, float, and S-I-N-K, sink. Float and sink. Okay, float and sink. What do you mean by float, children? I'll show you. What do you mean by sink? That also I will show. Okay. Now here I have a tumbler of water. Okay, I have a tumbler of water. Now you will also, when you are playing, when you are bathing, you will play like this. Yes or no? A tumbler of water I have. And here in your textbook there are different objects are there. So here I have some objects kept over here. What is this? A leaf. What is this? A leaf. Now I am putting this leaf into the water. You can see from this side, it's visible or not, you can see here. Now see, now what the leaf will do. See? It is just floating on the water. It floats on the water. The leaf float on the water. Okay? It is floating in the water. Okay, children? Okay. Now I have an eraser. And I am putting in the water. It did not float. It sank into the water. It went down into the water. That is called as sink. Okay, when you make a paper boat with a paper, now I have a paper. What the boat will do? The boat will float in the water. Yes or no? I have a paper I am putting in the water. So it is floating in the water. The paper is floating in the water. Okay, now I have a stick. Stick is also floating in the water. It is floating in the water. So like this activity you can do and see in your home. Okay children. Now we will see the objects in the given textbook. Okay, in the page. Now here see, look at these objects. Put them into a tub of water. Say which one will float and which one will sink. Okay. Now first one is ribbon. What will do ribbon? It will float in the water. Which things float in the water? Which have light weight, which is not too heavy. Understood? Which is having less weight. Lighter objects will float in the water. Okay. So ribbon is not very heavy. Yes or no? So it floats in the water. So, okay. Now, next one, feather. Which one will float in the water? Ribbon will float. Feather also will float in the water. Now, marble. Marble, it will sink in the water. Like an eraser, it is too heavy. So, it will sink into the water. Okay. Leaf. Now, I have shown you. Leaf floats in the water. Stone, it's heavy object. Sinks in the water. Yes or no? Now, what you have to do? Ribbon, down you have to write float. F-L-O-A-T, float, right? Okay. Feather, float. F-L-O-A-T, float. That means here ribbon you have the picture of ribbon. Here the bow, ribbon shape bow is there. Yes or no? And down you have to write R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon is there. Down the ribbon you write F-L-O-A-T, float. Okay. Next, feather is there. F-E-A-T-H-E-R, feather is there. Feather also will float. F-L-O-A-T, float. Like that spelling you have to write. Okay. Next, marble. What marble will do? It will sink. M-A-R-B-L-E, marble, sink. S-I-N-K, sink. Sink means it goes into the water. Understood? Sink. Okay. Next one, leaf. Float. Very good. F-L-O-A-T, float. Write down the leaf spelling. Next, stone. Sink. S-I-N-K, sink. Very good. Now here, stick. I showed you ice cream stick. It is floating in the water. Float. Paper. When you make a paper boat, it will float. Yes or no? Float. Straw. Float. Shoes. Heavy object. Sink. Yes or no? Spoon. If it is a plastic one, it will float. If it is a metal one, it will sink. Okay? Okay, all of you, have you done this activity? You can do practically and you can see. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.